Oh yeah, we have 2,000 $1 Federal Reserve notes in front of me, and we're hoping to find star notes, maybe some rare ones, but if we're really lucky, maybe finding some bills with fancy serial numbers that are worth a lot more than just their face value. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure and welcome back to the channel. For those that know my channel well, we do a periodic monthly 2000 Federal Reserve note search looking for fancy bills, rare star notes, older bills, things like that. Now, if you're new to bill collecting and bill searching, I have a ton of useful and resourceful links listed down below in the video description. Please check those out, or if you like, you can get one of my collectible US paper notes mat. I'll have a link to that also down below and probably even up here as well. That being said, 2,000 bills, each in 100 bill straps. That's 20 straps. We're looking for 20 star notes if we're lucky, and anything fancy, anything old, any web notes, any bar notes, and things like that. Now, I'll be going through these bills off camera, writing them, and seeing if we have any good finds, and I'll bring you back with strap recaps, letting you know any close calls and why they were close calls, as well as any good finds. Wish me luck. Let's get this hunt started. Strap number 1 gave us our first find. We're going to have a star note, and as a quick reminder, at the end of the hunt, I will plug in all the star notes into the star note lookup site that I have listed down below in the video description to see if we have any rare ones. 1 star note on the board, and then I also pulled this bill aside because it's a close call. 9272, 9274. So basically almost a repeater had that last 4 been a 2, because it would have been 9272, 9272. Just a close call. It'll be sent back. 1 strap down. Moving on to strap number 2. Unfortunately, strap number 2 was a bust with no finds. Not even any close calls. Let's move on to strap number 3. Strap number 3 was a pretty good strap. It gave us our second star note. It also gave us a lower serial number with 4 zeros in the front. Now, bills with 5 zeros in the front sell for a big premium. With 4 zeros, they sell for a small premium. I'm still going to keep it though, because I don't see a lot of 4-0 bills anymore in circulation. And then it almost gave us a radar bill. A radar is when the first 4 numbers bounce back. So if I read it from the left to right, it's 5854. If I stop there and read it right to left, it's 5654. So we needed that 6 at the end to be an 8, and it would have been 5854 and then reversed 5854. Close call, we'll send it back. But star note number 2 and our first fancy serial number of the hunt through 3 straps. Now let's see if strap number 4 can do just as well. Strap number 4 did not give us any keeper finds, but it gave me 3 bills to share. I've already kind of covered them, so I'll cover them quickly. The first one's almost a repeater, 4456, 4454. Had that 6 been a 4, it would have been a repeater and a binary note, but it's neither. The second one was almost a radar, 8544, and if you read it backwards, 8541. Needed that middle one to be a 4 for a radar note, and the same thing with this one, almost another radar, 8830, and if you read it backwards, 8530. Needed the 5 to be an 8. So, 3 close calls, but no keepers. Come on, strap 5. Let's find some keepers. Strap number 5 gave us our third star note, which I will gladly take. We have 3 star notes through 5 straps, so a little bit behind the pace of 1 per strap average, although it's getting tougher to find star notes in circulation. That being said, 5 straps down. Let's move on to strap number 6. Strap number 6, star note number 4. Can't get mad at that. Let's see if strap number 7 can give us another one. Strap number 7 did not give us any more star notes or true fancy serial numbers, but it did give us a pretty cool bill here. This is what's known as a trinary note. In other words, the serial number is made up of only 3 numbers. And I've said in previous videos, I don't normally keep trinary notes, but in this instance, there is 6 9s, including 4 to end the bill. So it's kind of a cool bill. It is a trinary, and it is close to being a high serial number if that 5 would have been a 9. So this might be a candidate to keep for some people. I don't think I'm going to keep it. It's kind of cool, but honestly, it's probably worth $3 to $5 at best if we're lucky. And that's if we find the right collector. It's got some creases over here, some bad edges, so probably not a keeper, but I wanted to point it out that some people do collect and sell trinary notes. They do sometimes fetch a premium. This one might with all those nines, but yeah, I'm not keeping it. Let's see if I can grab something I know I'll keep out of strap number 8. Strap number 8, no good goodies. Come on, strap number 9. We need some more finds. Strap number 9 gave us our 5th star note. So 5 star notes through 9 straps, definitely light. We have one more strap, strap number 10, and then I'll give you guys a mid-hunt recap, although it's not much of a recap just yet unless strap 10 helps us out. Well, strap number 10 helped out in a big way, giving us 2 more star notes. That makes 7 now through 10 straps, and we even got a birthday note, and it gave me a scare. 05/05/2007. For those that don't know, I'm a Cinco de Mayo birthday boy as well, but 33 years earlier. Either way, it's still a birthday note in proper form, month, day, and year, and we'll take it. 2 fancy serial numbers, a total of 7 star notes for the first half of the hunt. Not that bad. We'd like to see more star notes, but 7's not bad lately. All right, let's begin the second 10 straps, and let's see if they're better or worse than the first 10. Come on, strap 11. Kick us off right. Strap number 11 did give us a little kickoff with the star note number 8. I'll make a quick mention because I didn't mention it in the mid-hunt recap. I have not seen any bills prior to 1999, so not a lot of oldies. We have had 4 1999 bills, but none that I can check for a web note because we need 1995 and earlier. Either way, 11 straps down, 8 star notes. Strap number 12 coming up next. Well, strap number 12 must have heard me because we just got through saying I haven't found any old bills, and sure enough, the very next strap, a 1977A. I will take it. Not a fancy serial number, but decent looking older bill. And somehow, after nearly 50 years, it's not been pulled from circulation and doesn't look too bad. But now it has a home. We also had a close call, 4458. And if you read it backwards, 4498. Needed the 9 to be a 5. Would have been a radar. It's not. And I kept that bill on top because it was kind of cool with the 3 8s and 3 7s. Had it been like 888, 777, 65, maybe worth keeping, kind of a ladder note of sorts. But yeah, we just wanted to show it to you guys because it was kind of cool. 12 straps down. Moving on to strap 13. Strap 13 was unlucky. No good goodies. Let's try strap 14. Well, strap 14 was also a bust. Not looking too good. Come on, strap 15. Pull us out of the doldrums. Strap number 15 makes the 3rd straight strap in a row with no finds and no close calls. Thankfully, that's the end of that 5 straps. And now we move on to the last 5 straps, and we need some help, and we need it now. Come on, strap 16. Strap number 16 is going to bail us out from the bleed out with a couple of star notes. Star notes 9 and 10. So we finally hit 10 star notes through 16 straps. That was a good strap. Hopefully, strap number 17 has something else to say as well. Unfortunately, strap number 17 didn't play ball. No fines. Let's move on to strap 18. Strap number 18, and we have good news and bad news. The bad news is it didn't have any fines. The good news is we did get a couple of bills that have glitter on them. Wonder where those have been. Back to the hunt. Strap number 19, and we're basically a broken record. No fines. We are on our last strap of the hunt, and we're going to need some finishing notes here in a big way. Let's see what it's got. Well, strap number 20 at least gave us a parting gift. Star note number 11. So the grand total for the hunt is going to be 11 star notes, 2 fancy serial numbers, 1 with a low serial number, 1 a birthday note, and 1 old bill A pretty decent 1977A, although it does have some missing paper on it, but still a cool find. Unfortunately, no chance for any web notes or bar notes. Didn't see any of those type of notes in there. And not a lot of fancies and not a lot of star notes. But we still have to plug in all the star notes to the star note lookup site. Let me see if we have any rare ones. I'll bring you back with my findings and some thoughts on this kind of tough 20-strap Federal Reserve note hunt. All right, I finished plugging all of the star notes into the star note lookup site, and to add insult to injury, they're all common. So no better print runs and no better run sizes. But at the end of the day, star notes like this, they're still worth $1.50 to $2 each, and I'll take them. Plus, we got some cool side finds as well. It was a tough hunt, but you got to go through bills because you never know when the next set of bills you hunt has that doozy, and that's what we're doing this for. We didn't get one today, but we had fun trying, and hopefully you guys had fun watching. If you did, you certainly know I'd appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.